more brood here, and you can see the larvae, different stages of it. There's one or two drone cells. The drone cells, they're larger. This is normal brood, and then there's larvae at different stages of development there. And let's see, where's our queen? There's our queen there, the yellow. So you have to be really careful handling the frames. Now she doesn't like being exposed like this, and she'll be accompanied by some workers, but I'll put her back in because